Hey, future engineers and curious explorers, ever wondered how a bridge stays strong, how buildings don't fall, or how a roller coaster doesn't fly off the track? The answer is something super cool: engineering mechanics. Today, we're going to break it down in the simplest way, like you're 10 years old and building Lego rockets at home. What is engineering mechanics? Let's start with the definition. Engineering mechanics is the study of how things move and stay still and how forces affect them. It helps us understand motion, balance, and strength. It's like the rule book for how stuff works in the physical world. Imagine pushing a swing, that's a force. Imagine a bridge not falling, that's balance. Mechanics helps us understand why and how that happens. Real-life examples. When you ride a scooter, mechanics explains how you move and stop. When a carpenter builds a shelf, mechanics tells him how much weight it can carry. When engineers build a roller coaster, mechanics helps keep it safe and thrilling. It's like the invisible science behind everything that moves or stays still. Two main types of engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics is like a superhero with two powers. Statics, the study of things that don't move, like bridges, buildings, and towers. Dynamics, the study of things that do move, like cars, planes, and falling apples. Famous scientist Isaac Newton gave us the laws that form the heart of mechanics. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, Newton's third law. That's the reason rockets lift off and basketballs bounce. Why is this important? Mechanics helps engineers build safe machines. It prevents disasters like bridge collapses. It makes things more efficient, from robots to rockets. It teaches problem solving and logic. Whether you're building a chair or designing a drone, you need mechanics. What you'll learn in this series. In this engineering mechanics playlist, we'll cover forces, pushes and pulls, equilibrium, balance in systems, moments, how things turn or rotate, motion, speed, acceleration, direction, energy, how it's stored and used. Each video will be packed with easy visuals, real-world examples, simple challenges, engineering tricks. So, what is engineering mechanics? It's the backbone of engineering. It teaches you to think like an engineer, build like a scientist, and solve problems like a pro. Comment below, what's something you've seen that defies gravity or feels like magic? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe and buckle up, because the next video is what is thermodynamics explained for future engineers.